In this video, I'll show you how to mute the notifications of people who haven't confirmed their phone number on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to reduce unwanted notifications and make your timeline in notifications feel a lot cleaner and more relevant. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more quick X and Twitter tips. Now let's get straight into it. First, open x.com or Twitter and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left navigation bar, click More. This opens up the full menu with additional settings and account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control your account preferences, privacy features, and notification filters. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll find the controls for how X handles interactions, visibility, and message-related settings. After that, click Mute and Block. This section is designed to help you limit unwanted activity, manage muted accounts, and control what kind of notifications you receive. Now click Muted Notifications. Here, you'll see different options for muting notifications based on certain account conditions. Find the option labeled Who haven't confirmed their phone number and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, X will mute notifications from accounts that have not confirmed their phone number, helping you reduce spammy or low-trust interactions. That's all there is to it. The setting is now active, and your notifications should be much cleaner going forward. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for X and social media settings.